Imagine a slice of pizza that not only delights your senses but also nourishes your body. Yes, pizza, the universally beloved dish, can be more than just a delightful indulgence. When made with a whole wheat crust, it becomes a source of dietary fiber that aids in digestion. The toppings, a vibrant medley of vegetables, bring a variety of vitamins and minerals to the table. Bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, olives, each ingredient adds a unique nutritional profile, enhancing the overall health quotient of your slice. And let's not forget the tomato sauce, the heart of every pizza. This tangy treat is a rich source of lycopene, a potent antioxidant that battles oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So, next time you reach for a slice, remember, it's not just a treat, it's a health booster. Pizza, in all its cheesy glory, can indeed be a powerful ally in your wellness journey. As we move on to garlic bread, the story deepens. This beloved side dish, often relegated to the shadows of the main course, has a secret superpower hidden in its aromatic allure. Its magic ingredient? Garlic. This humble bulb, often overlooked for its simplicity, is a powerhouse of nutrition. Garlic is packed with a compound known as allicin. This unique substance is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, potentially helping to soothe aches, pains, and illnesses. But that's not all. Allicin also holds a reputation as a potent immune booster. Regular consumption of garlic could fortify your body's defenses, helping you to ward off common colds and flu. So the next time you savor the crisp crust and buttery, garlicky goodness of a slice of garlic bread, remember that you're not just indulging your palate, you're also investing in your health. It's a tale of indulgence with an unexpected twist. Your health. Avocado toast, the millennial breakfast sensation, has a backstory that's as rich as its taste. This delectable delight, crowned with creamy, buttery avocado, has taken the world by storm. But why has it become such a phenomenon? The answer lies in the avocado itself. Packed to the brim with heart-healthy fats, avocados are a powerhouse of nutrition. These fats help to keep our heart in top shape, promoting good cholesterol while battling out the bad. And that's not all. Avocados are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you satisfied for longer. They're also rich in potassium, a mineral that supports heart health and helps regulate blood pressure. The story of the avocado toast is a tale of wellness and health, a testament to the power of food in promoting well-being. So enjoy that avocado toast, knowing it's a saga of wellness on your plate. When you're under the weather, chicken noodle soup becomes your ally. This humble dish, often associated with homely comfort and motherly care, is more than just a bowl of warmth. Its magic lies in its simplicity, a clear broth, chunks of chicken, and a smattering of noodles. The broth, made by simmering chicken and vegetables, is a natural source of hydration, replenishing your body's fluids while providing a comforting warmth that eases congestion. But let's not forget the chicken. The hero of our soup, the chicken is a great source of lean protein, vital for repairing body tissues and supporting the immune system. Protein also keeps you feeling full and satisfied, helping you rest and recuperate. Then there are the noodles, providing the much-needed carbohydrates for energy. So the next time you're feeling a bit off, remember this comforting bowl of chicken noodle soup. It's a heartwarming tale of comfort and nourishment. Salmon, a true culinary legend, boasts an epic nutritional saga. This pink-fleshed fish is more than a delectable treat. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that have been celebrated for centuries. At the heart of this saga are omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own. These nutrients are known to support heart health, reduce inflammation, and even potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases. But the tale doesn't end there. Salmon is also a stellar source of high-quality protein, a crucial building block for our bodies. This protein aids in healing, protects bone health, and maintains muscle mass during weight loss and aging. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals it provides, like B vitamins, potassium, and selenium, further fortifying its nutritional profile. So when you dig into that salmon, remember, it's your knight in shining armor for heart and brain health. In the annals of health, spinach stands as a formidable hero. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients, a silent warrior in our daily diets, punching well above its weight in terms of health benefits. Spinach is rich in iron, a mineral crucial to producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout our bodies. It's like a personal trainer for our blood, ensuring it's always in peak condition. But that's not all. Spinach is also loaded with a medley of vitamins, including vitamin A, C, K1, and several B vitamins. These tiny heroes work behind the scenes, supporting everything from our immune systems to our bone health. Then there are the antioxidants, the guardians of our cells, shielding them from damage. They're the unsung heroes in our fight against premature aging and various diseases. So next time you look at that humble leaf of spinach on your plate, remember its epic tale: a leaf of spinach a day keeps the doctor away. Sweet potatoes, with their vibrant hue, tell a tale of nutrition and flavor intertwined. These humble tubers, often associated with holiday feasts and cozy dinners, are more than just a tasty side dish. They're a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a slew of health benefits. Packed with complex carbohydrates, they provide sustained energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes also boast a high fiber content, promoting a healthy digestive system and aiding in weight management. But perhaps the most compelling chapter in the sweet potato story revolves around beta-carotene, the pigment responsible for their striking orange color. This powerful antioxidant converts into vitamin A in our bodies, playing a crucial role in maintaining good vision. Moreover, the natural sweetness of these potatoes, combined with their high fiber content, helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for people with diabetes. Enjoy the sweet, hearty taste of these potatoes, and remember, they're champions of